Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Barclays Smart Investor Review My Usage Experience. Barclays Smart Investor Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and managing your investment portfolio with Barclays. It's aimed at existing Barclays customers who want a clearer picture of their investment performance and potentially adjust their strategies. Key features likely include portfolio visualization, performance tracking, and potentially some basic investment management tools. Their website provides details on specific features and access requirements. Barclays' website highlights the ease of access to your investment data, the ability to track performance over time, and the convenience of managing your investments online. They emphasize clear reporting and a user-friendly interface. While specific pricing isn't explicitly mentioned on their site, it's likely integrated into existing Barclays banking services. Availability is limited to existing Barclays customers with investment accounts. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Barclays Smart Investor Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. After logging into my Barclays online banking, I found the Smart Investor section easily. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed my portfolio's overall performance, with breakdowns by asset class and individual holdings. I particularly appreciated the interactive charts showing performance over different time periods. I found it easy to drill down into specific investments to see detailed transaction history and current valuations. The system performed flawlessly, the data loaded quickly, and the interface was responsive. I had a quick question about a specific tax implication on a realized gain, and their support team responded within 2 days via email, providing a helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how clean and uncluttered the dashboard was, allowing me to quickly grasp the health of my portfolio. One minor drawback was the lack of mobile app access. I had to use my desktop computer to review everything. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. It's a great tool for monitoring my investments and making informed decisions. That's my overview of Barclays Smart Investor Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.